it's pretty cool because we're walking around the market right now. So Anne is just showing us like every little produce, especially because it's springtime right now. There's a lot of different produce, and of course she knows a lot of the different vendors here.
My grandma used to make this at home from scratch, but nowadays people just buy. Order the machine embroidery.
Can you introduce yourself and then what we're going to be doing today?
Hello, I'm Anne from Soba cooking class. Today we're gonna make bulgogi, bibimbap, and cold noodle. But for bulgogi, for vegan option, we're gonna use mushroom, shiitake mushroom.
Thank you. Oh,
What's up here? Before we start cooking, I prepared.
so the first course that we're making is going to be the mushroom bulgogi, and we're using shiitake mushrooms, but we're using the stems as well, so it's going to be nice and meaty.
Now the craft beer is getting popular.
Yeah.
Because the regular Korean beers are usually very mild and people don't like it.
Yeah.
So that's why people mix it with soju.
Anne was saying actually for the bibimbap sauce, she's like, if you normally just get the gochujang in here like that, it's actually not enough. So she said that to add some extra seasonings to it is going to make it extra good.
It might look weird to stir fry paste, but after we stir fry paste like this, it gets nuttier. And we're gonna add more sesame oil, but we usually add sesame oil after we turn the heat up. Otherwise, the sesame oil flavor gets bitter. You remember the acorn jelly shop? She was selling this too.
Oh, so you either use the mangi one or the acorn jelly?
So for bibimbap, definitely this jelly.
Okay. Okay, so we're just starting to cook right now. We have a dish for the bulgogi side and then a dish for the bibimbap side. So these two parts is for bibimbap, and then this bit is for the bulgogi, and then this is for bulgogi, and then this is for the bibimbap.
식초 있어? 어디 있어? 식초 알고 있는 Mine is already heated. It's really good because all Korean salt is from the West Coast. West Coast is all muddy sea, so it has a lot of minerals.
So right now for the bibimbap, we're basically stir frying each vegetable separately with a little bit of oil and then a little bit of salt. So we did that for the white radish, the zucchini, and then right now the carrots. finish it off with one round of sesame oil. Okay, now we're gonna bring this masterpiece into the dining room.
야, 이거 날야채 이거 얘기해줘야 되는데 이거 고모가 보낸 건데
Half flour, half potato starch, baking powder,
이거를 그냥 된장에다가 찍어서
salt.
이렇게 찍어서
Okay.
우리 집에 있는 this. Heat the pan. Oil.
오늘 여기 간장 해놨어.
이거야? 예.
간장에 찍어 우리 파도 이 간장에 찍어 먹는
If you go to Korean supermarket, buy 동치미. 동치미 is water kimchi, but the ordinary regular water kimchi is lighter than this. Then
여자는 이걸 갖다 뭐
light mustard.
Ah, okay, okay.
Light mustard.
Into this.
Add some very, very cold water. Rinse it thoroughly.
They're doing for the soup.
근데 이 친구는 여자 계란이 들어가야 하는 예.
Sorry. Okay, so usually there's boiled egg. So pretty.
Then pear. Decoration.
이거 엄청 시험 걸려서 나 속에서 땡기로 놓으면
Okay, it's done.
Okay, so now we're just gonna bring these into the dining room and we're ready to eat.
Okay. Facing down.
Okay.
And
Okay.
this is regular kimchi. So we made it on a family kimchi day in November. And this one is a green onion. So my mom just blanched it and then rolled it. So this one also dip in here and then eat it. And this one is we call it mustard kimchi. The vegetable is not exactly mustard, but it tastes a bit like a mustard. And the garlic, pickled garlic. And this one is semi from the countryside. And my mom made the paste with the soybean vegetable, and this is a dried.
Okay, so I'm just having some of that cold noodles right now. It sticks together a lot. She was talking about how you have to wash it in cold water a lot after you finish cooking it because it does have all of those starches that's binding it up. The broth is quite interesting because it's that fresh water kimchi broth that she mixed with a bit of vinegar and then also a little bit of mild mustard as well. So it's quite unique. The flavor it's sweet. It's like gently sweet, but just like with a tinge of savoriness in the background. So it's something that's very different that I haven't really had before. And she paired it up with some cucumbers and some Asian pear. Usually though, there is an egg on top. So if you guys have a substitute, you can feel free to do that. Just like a very fresh and cooling dish. It's definitely something that I would have like in a very hot Korean summer. Then I wanted you guys to check out this bibimbap. It's absolutely delicious. Anne was saying that, I mean, really the secret, you can put whatever vegetables that you want in there, and we stir fried each vegetable individually. So there were like carrots, zucchini, you know, mushroom, etc., etc. But it's whatever you have available, and the key is going to be in that that sauce, which is not just gochujang, because she added, you know, like garlic, some onions, some mushroom to it as well. It's not just spicy, right? There's some like savory notes in there. There's, you know, like garlic and onion adds amazing things to everything. The mushrooms have that umami that is added in, so it's way more than just spicy. I haven't had it with the mung bean jelly before, but it's actually, if you are someone that likes kind of that jello-y texture, you wouldn't be anticipating it in a bibimbap dish, but it's actually quite nice of a textural difference. And then with the shiitake bulgogi, it's like sweet, it's savory at the same time. Only this, we were using fresh shiitake mushrooms. So I'd say the texture of the mushrooms are a little bit softer than what I would expect a meaty thing to be. So feel free to use dried shiitake mushrooms, you know, even tofu, whatever kind of substitute that you might have. Key is going to be in that sauce. We basically stir-fried vegetables all at the beginning so that they would soften first, and then we added in those marinated mushrooms. All really, really good.
I mixed all the powder with the syrup.
Okay.
This one, I think you can tell.
Black sauce.
Black sesame.
Yeah.
This one,
Honey, bee pollen? No.
it's a pollen. This we put it eating first. Can you guess how we can take it out without flipping over? Yeah, try. How?
Lift this up.
Pull it all the way.
All the way out.
All the way. Then it comes up.
Oh, nice! So cool.
This black sesame one and the soybean one, they are very nutty. Pine pollen one, very good for health, which means a bit bitter.
Okay.